Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Deriv to MetaTrader 5. So I will show you in this video how we can do this as quick as possible. So let's start right here with going to trade. Then we select right here the CFD standard. And then what we can do right here is do trade. And then we select right here the MetaTrader 5 app. Then we click right here on the Deriv setup and then we do yes. And then right now he is running the application. There we go. And then we click here on next. Then he is downloading right here the MetaTrader 5 client terminal. So this will cost us now a few seconds. Let's see, there we go. And then we click here on finish. And then he will send us right here to this page. Then we do next, and now we need to log in with our details. So what we're going to do right here is we select right here our login, and then we need to find our login right here. So we go to trade, and then we copy right here our login ID. So we paste it right there, and then we fill in right here our password. Select right here which one you want to use. Now demo is exactly what I want to use, and then we do finish right here. And boom, there we are. Now we just connected our Deriv to MetaTrader 5, and this is how you can do this. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.